All right, you guys, winter is finally coming to a close around here. And you know what that means. We're busting out the old travel trailer for our first family camping trip of the season. We're jump-starting summer with a little Joshua Tree sunshine, baby. Let's go.
There's a web on the RV.
Where?
Right there.
You guys getting ready?
I'll probably ride that. Place up there so we can get on it.
We're just loading all day, baby. Load, load, load. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
Where are you at in the packing process?
Just starting.
You're just starting? Nice. We got trash bags and duct tape. Good boy. All right, you guys, it is, what time is it? It's like 7:30, and we have been packing all day, and we started yesterday. It's raining like cats and dogs right now. We originally were gonna go to Cascade Lock, but it's supposed to be raining for the next 4 days straight. There's actually like a huge hurricane or a storm coming through here.
Thunderstorm safety tips for you. If you hear thunder, you go indoors.
Anyways, we decided to move this thing down to Joshua Tree, so I cannot recommend the maneuver that we are trying to do right now because
With 3 little kids.
with 3 little kids, we're leaving at 8 p.m. and the plan right now is to drive straight through to Joshua Tree. I've done this before as a young man, but I have not done it. Did we drive straight through all the way up here from?
Oh
yeah,
yeah,
we did.
Oh
we did.
yeah, and I was pregnant, and I had a cat in the car and a toddler.
Mm-hmm.
We've done this many times.
Well, once. You did that once. Okay.
Well, and I've done the move.
Yes.
In a broken.
So she's done it
U-Haul.
twice. She's done it twice. I've done it once or twice too, to be fair. But anyways, we're gonna do it. We're about to leave. We got everything all packed up. I got the eggs. I think that's it. We're gonna roll on out and drive straight through, no stops.
Only brought one binky in the car, and it's not attached. He's already lost it. We haven't even left the house yet.
We're getting ready to go. We're going. Okay, here we go. 18 hours to go.
How you doing?
Good.
First gas break.
First gas break. And yogurt break. Come on, look in here. We got our second fuel stop. And a little magic school bus. In the Ziploc baggie. Hot chocolate?
We made it to California. Still like, what, 6 hours to go? 5 hours to go?
Yeah, we got 5 hours to go. We're like practically there.
Should we tell the kids where we're going?
We're going to Desert Hot Springs, aka Joshua Tree.
That sounds fun.
It's the desert. We're going to the desert where you were born, Eleanor. We're gonna be close to where you were born.
Well, we've been driving for, how many hours have we been driving for, Theo? 15 hours? So we have like 3 hours left? Time for a playground break. Look at his hair. Where are you going, buddy? Dude, we are back, Eleanor. We're back. It's been 4 years. That's where we used to live down there. Motorcycle. Here we are, Theo. Whoa. Look at the mini golf. Cool. Check this guy out with the Speedos on. Looking good. We made it. Everybody's alive. Everybody's good. Yeah, so it's 7:30. We just landed. I think we officially drove for 24 hours. So, I don't recommend it, but everybody survived.
6 hours later.
What a stormy night last night.
Yeah, it's crazy windy.
The winds were, I think, like 40 miles an hour winds. It was rocking the whole night. The pool and the hot tubs here, well, the entire resort is fed by mineral springs water, including the pool and the hot tubs. So I think we're gonna have some breakfast and go swimming.
I put it on the
Oh, you still have a full diaper, Masha.
All right, well, it is midday. What time is it right now? It feels like lunch. We've been riding bikes a little bit. We went to go check in. Emily took us in this morning.
And it's really windy still.
It's really windy still. What you said? Yeah. Over now.
Now there's dust flying on people and stuff. No more, no thanks.
If you just sit next to it and chill, it'll probably think we're just enjoying it. Right?
Got it. Yes! Oh, it's coming back down. Try it again. Try it again.
Oh, not quite that low.
Oh, she made it.
Oh yeah. Why just go down?
Oh! No. Okay, how does 100 feel? Oh! Okay, let's get in the car because we're gonna go real deal camping In-N-Out Burger. Who's that? It's Theo. You got it, buddy? Oh, okay, here we go. In-N-Out is like supposed to be the best hamburger ever. We're gonna put it to the test.
Who's excited for hamburgers?
Me.
With ketchup.
Me.
And fries with ketchup.
Hi there, good.
What number?
Oh, 96. All right, let's go.
Here's number 98, 99, and 2.
Oh, I'm going to.
You want more fries or more ketchup? Okay. I'm so hungry.
Oh, good one.
Silhouette, chomp and maneuver.
Let's go. Mmm.
Oh, why do they make these so good?
They're really good at making burgers and fries and milkshakes. Oh, whoa. Dang, Mas. She like really needs to. Masha, you really need to figure out the brakes, girl. Come on, let's go. Come on, Eleanor. This one's got a back deck. Dude, that's awesome.
No thanks. No.
Wow. He's so cray. Well, I'm done. Theo, are you done? It's time for a movie and bed. And then tomorrow, more exciting adventures. Can you say hello?
Hello.
All right, well, Mom's working hard over here with breakfast. She's got everybody fed, and we have already some games going on. But we are getting ready to go to the Coachella Valley Preserve, and then a date farm, and then probably more pool. Boop! Anybody ready for a motorcycle ride?
Me.
Anybody ready for a pool?
Yeah.
Anybody ready for a date farm?
No.
Okay, we got Theo loaded up. What's up, Theo?
Go.
Everybody else, Masha, waiting on Mommy. We got the bikes all loaded up too. We're gonna head down to the street, go rip it up, or safely. We're not gonna rip it up. Definitely not gonna rip it up. How many people are here? Oh my.
Parking lot closed.
Parking.
Yeah, we'll just go on a little walk and check it out, and then we'll go riding across the street from our thing. It's all right. Look, coyotes live here. Yeah, well,
Welcome to Palms Oasis.
I can go under it.
Oh, it smells good down there. Algae, I bet. I wonder if there's some shrimp in there. Okay, I don't see any snakes.
Let's go this way.
look at this boy with his little hiking boots. There's all the bobcats here.
Bad idea. We've already gone further than I thought we were gonna go.
Yeah.
No trees? Yeah.
Thank you.
I think we turn around. Yeah, I'm done with it. I'm done. We're going back to the truck.
Okay.
Okay. Put him on your back. We gotta walk all the way back.
Okay, come here.
All right, well, that was, is that a failure or
We're learning lessons.
a learning lesson? We didn't make it.
I say a learning lesson.
Yeah, it was a learning lesson. So what did we learn? We learned that you
We
can't...
learned that we need some
Water?
Little kids can't.
I haven't.
Yeah, and that you can't bring motorcycles to a preserve.
Anyhow, a mile with 3 little kids is a lot longer than a mile with just 2 dogs walking.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. What happened? Oh, we don't have seatbelts on. Right.
So how was it?
Oh, it was great. Everybody did awesome.
How did Theo do?
Theo did awesome. It's a little warm outside and windy. Would have been better this morning, but what'd you girls think?
It was fun.
You guys-
Masha, how was it?
Everybody just needs a little bit of practice.
We've never been on sandy and rocky roads like this before.
Yeah, it's a little difficult.
I sure was a little bit scared.
I think you did a good job.
Yeah. So the one way we rode on a bunch of rocks, and the other way we rode on a bunch of soft sand. So both were pretty tricky, huh? Both were pretty tricky to me.
Daddy, we're sharing.
Nice. Yeah, that's right. It's the journey.
It's matching your towel.
Yeah.
Ready? Go. Masha had no fun. She wants to stay there with Daddy and no Mommy.
I had lots of fun. And Daddy told us to do like this.
Oh yeah, so you don't hit your head.
Roast.
Run! Rock! Get run! Let's run!
Real busted. Sure is pretty out here. You win some, you lose some. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Sometimes you have to just walk it back to camp.
How'd it go?
It went good. The chain came loose.
Oh no. The chain came loose
Yeah.
while you were droning and riding?
Yeah, it's like,
Oh no.
and so I had to walk it all the way back. But this thing kept up. It was awesome. Until,
Oh, you just had to walk all the way back?
yeah, like all the way from those mountains and like way back behind there.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. I didn't bring any tools. You gotta think.
Yeah, you're solo out there
Yeah.
with, and you broke
Just
down.
living. So, anyways, it was awesome though.
I'm glad you made it back. It's a python. Masha, what kind of snake do you have?
I have. That's a green water snake. Mine is green water snake.
Nice. Look over in the side. This is the camera.
Well, can you see my eyes?
No.
Okay, then we're all right. Well, that was an adventure. It was a long drive. I think we all had fun though. I think my favorite part was probably the pool.
Yeah, the pool was pretty fun. The sunshine also felt really good, and yeah, the wind made it a little bit more challenging, but
Definitely challenging with the wind.
the sun made up for it, I think.
I think so. Yeah, kids had a blast. They got lots of ice cream, and yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Boom. Yes, you can.
puppy.